All right, time for some birthdays on this Wednesday, and we are starting in Pittsburgh with Louis and Benedict Falk celebrating their first birthday together. These twin boys, obviously, ready to get out there and explore life as they're already exploring nature in this photo.
Aw, cute alert, cute alert. All right, we got a 7 strong birthday for King Dixon. That is a strong name, I like it. King is in Pittsburgh, actually celebrated his birthday yesterday.
And we go to Carthage, where we find Hadley Horton celebrating birthday number 9. This comes with love from Grandma Judy and Grandpa Jim. Happy birthday, Hadley.
All right, and Macy Payne celebrating birthday number 12 this year. Hope it's a great one, Macy.
And we've got Bethany Merrick celebrating birthday number 16 over in Mound Valley. And today, of course, making this her golden birthday. Happy birthday, Bethany.
Gotta love that. Landon Harris turning 18 years old this year. Landon celebrating in Chanute.
And we've got Eva Parsons celebrating a birthday over in Neodesha. Eva, of course, pictured there with Landon.
All right. Happy birthday to both Landon and Eva. Awesome. All right, Jacob Toll celebrating birthday number 26 this year. That's a cool picture there. Jacob is in Baxter Springs with birthday love coming from Mom.
Also celebrating birthday number 26 today is Sammy Matson over in Pittsburgh. Sammy, a very happy birthday, and this comes with love from Auntie Em and Grandma Patty.
Ah, I like that ride. Vicki Johnson celebrating in Cherokee, Kansas. All right, happy birthday to Vicki.
And we go on with Maxine Rion celebrating in Columbus. Melinda Lee Gordon celebrating birthday number 58 in Galena. Melinda is currently fighting stage 4 cancer, a mother of 10 children, 5 boys and 5 girls. This is birthday love coming from the entire family.
All right, we wish you the best, Melinda, and hope you have a wonderful birthday. And not only is it her birthday, but David and Melinda are celebrating their 22nd anniversary today as well. Wow.
Absolutely impressive. We've also got Reverend Michael Johnson celebrating number 59. This is just one big family event here because Melinda, Reverend Michael Johnson is Melinda and David's son-in-law. So a happy birthday to the Reverend Michael Johnson. And last but not least, Nikki Riebel in Chanute, celebrating a birthday as well with love from family and friends. And we want to keep the birthday list growing. Tanya Bach can tell you how to help us out with that.
That's right. You can send your birthdays to us through email. It's really easy to do. Just send them to birthdays@koamtv.com, or you can send them to birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And why don't you check out our website, because not only does it have the latest news, weather, and sports and everything in between, but it's also your place to go to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website, go to the morning show, find the KOAM Birthday Club icon, click on it, you sign up, you get great deals from local businesses, and a birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. All you need to do is go to KOAMnewsnow.com to the morning show page and click on the Birthday Club today.